I'm going to talk about sleep, the importance of quality and quantity of sleep. When I was diagnosed, I had the worst sleep habits, and it was really affecting my labs and my hormones. I was a night owl. I would do a bulk of my work from 4 p.m. to maybe 10, 11, sometimes even 12 o'clock. And then I would sleep super late in the morning. Not only was I getting a lot of blue light from the computer, but I would watch movies at night all the time. I also would wake up in the middle of the night a lot. And I think this was due to stress. My mind was always racing. I would go to bed with my mind racing. I would wake up at 3 a.m. I would scribble things to do. I would turn on the light. I might read. That all changed when I started, instead of turning on the light, meditating at night. I would fall back asleep very quickly. I would sleep longer and better. And once I added meditation to my daytime practice, then my sleep started getting really through the night without even waking up at all, which was so amazing to me. I also started changing my bedtime routine. I stopped checking my emails at about 5 o'clock. If I was watching a movie, I would wear blue blocking glasses because those block the blue lights and keep your mind thinking that it's getting dark. The problem is we have lights all the time now, and so our brains don't really know when it's daytime or nighttime. So I changed my routine. What I would do is eat dinner early at like 5 o'clock, which was a huge change. I used to eat at like 8 or 9 o'clock at night. I would treat myself like a young child. I would eat really early, about 5 o'clock, and then I would take a nice long doggy walk in nature. I would come home and I would take a hot bath or a hot shower, and I would cuddle up in bed with a warm fuzzy bathrobe, reading a book. And I kind of envisioned this as like treating myself like I was treating one of my young nieces or nephews. I then changed my sleep habits to have more like 10 or 12 hours of sleep. And I know that that sounds like a lot, but when your body's healing, it needs that regeneration time. Below, I'm going to provide a bunch of resources for you to help improve your sleep quality. A lot of people ask me about melatonin. I personally, Dr. Nasha has me on a high dose of melatonin, and she has a lot of people on varying doses of melatonin depending on their blood work and their DNA. She will look at doses somewhere between 20 milligrams and 180 milligrams. But since I'm not a doctor, you have to talk to Dr. Nasha and her team or your doctor to see if high dose melatonin is right for you.